Hi, welcome to Abby's Big Ideas, where I show you some fun ideas to get creative in your own home. As you can see, I have a rather large dining room table, which is awesome. It's really just a blank canvas waiting to be decorated, so I'm always excited when I get a chance to try out some new looks, or what some people call tablescapes. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you a few different looks for our Easter spring table. In last week's video, we made a coffee bar, and I talked a lot about shopping in your own house. In other words, when you're getting ready to decorate and accessorize or do a dining room table, don't go out and buy a bunch of stuff. Look and see what you already have. And so that's what I'm doing again today. I have put on this table a whole bunch of stuff that I already had. From dishes to placemats and table runners and napkins, tableware, all kinds of things, candles. And what I did was I just went around my house and gathered things that were similar colors, the colors that I want to go for my spring table. And so this will be really fun because we get to shop in our own house. We don't have to spend any money. So I'm gonna use these things, and I really don't have like a big plan, y'all. I'm just gonna start putting things on the table, see how they look, play around with it, and see if we can come up with a few different looks for our Easter table. There are a few staples that you should keep on hand so that you can use them year-round for your dining room table. And one thing that is really important is just some plain tablecloths. I like to keep plain black and plain white. For spring, we're gonna use these white ones. This is a really large tablecloth. It's actually a restaurant style tablecloth that I got from Sam's. So Sam's or Costco, that's a good source for like your less expensive but highly durable table linens, like what they would have at a restaurant. So that's just a quick tip for you. Now that we have our white tablecloth in place, we can use this as a blank canvas and create just about any look. This first tablescape, I'm calling it Garden Party because it just reminds me of like a spring tea party with your girlfriends. I'm always happy for an excuse to use my vintage Pyrex collection. If you're not a collector, this is a great gateway to collecting dishes because Pyrex are super cute and they're really not expensive. They're readily available at antique stores and estate sales. So one tip that I have, if you want to get a lot of pretty colors in your dishes, start collecting vintage Pyrex. Okay, now that turned out super cute. Let's do the second one. Check this out, you guys. It's reversible. So all we have to do to start is just turn this over, and we have a whole new look and a whole new color scheme. So this next one is going to be lots of greens and earthy colors, and it's gonna be so cute. I am absolutely crazy about these dishes. They are mid-century modern, very cool. It's called Buffalo China. And what's really great about Buffalo China is they are not expensive and they're very collectible. You can find these, again, just like Pyrex, you can find them in your local antique store and they're really not expensive. And they're very durable because Buffalo China was originally made to be used in restaurants. So these are like from old cafeterias and diners and things like that. But we have a full set of these really cute green and cream colored ones. We use them for every day. But we can also use them for our Easter table because look how cute that color is. For this tablescape, we're keeping it really simple. This would be for like a casual family lunch or something like that. We're staying in this pretty green color scheme and the napkins sort of go with that feel. They have little floral design, little stripe. And for the centerpiece, we're doing some really cute little ceramic peeps and a bird's nest candle holder. And that is look number 2. Finally, this is my actual Easter table. This is what we'll be doing this year for Easter. I kind of change it up every year, but this year we're going with turquoise because it is my favorite color. So we'll be using the Pyrex dishes again, and then if we do any kind of like a soup or probably a salad, we'll have these little mix and match bowls. They're all a little bit different and just so pretty. And then I have a table runner with Easter eggs, and we're using these same candle holders, but I put a different turquoise candle on it. And y'all, here is my centerpiece, which I made. If you want to see step by step how I made this, you'll be able to watch that in my Goodwill Challenge video. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. I hope this inspired you to change up your table by using things that you already have around the house. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Happy Easter, y'all. Bye.